Hey y'all, um, doing some rearranging here, and I, got a new Hepa filter in the domestic, so yeah, let's give it a shot. I haven't even ran it yet, so hats off to this little puppy. That's a lot less loud. Very fresh, I guess you could say. The better suction too. This one works better too. It's stuck in the curtain. Sounds very healthy. I'm very happy with this Phantom. This is definitely my favorite Phantom. I'm doing some rearranging here, so that's why it looks a little different if you're wondering. And I have some Phantoms here, some Phantoms there, so they're just kind of spread out. But yeah, thanks for watching my beautiful Phantom.